Ndongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka kwa ivinda yingi niwatula muti Silikali ya Kenya kwanza kwa kila ukuweta kwetethesya akenya mikalile Kavindani kau munini wa president wa tene niwaweta kana kila mwenenthi na uthasyo wa kutwaiisya maandamano aiweta miatianio ya ngwatanio ya azimio mavitu yayakusukumiia Silikali iw'e kiio cha mwenenthi Aineenea SKM Command Center kwi umuthi kwa musyini wa Ilovi Kalonzo ingi niwasekana tanthi nonginya tukite kitau kinene cha ukabila vanthi ya Kenya. Boni mutesya ni wakuvingwa vilingwa mauvo na ilivoti.
Kalonzo Musyoka wetakana miatiano ile na tuiwe ngaliko ya ulei na endeni wa miao ya katiba ka Kenya na wendi wa munene unaikuwete umwendi no ya Kenya na kulunga maundu ala methi tumeme ku ndeni wa Silikali ya Kenya kwanza na kiki na umani na unene nyolo na iw'e na kuwete Musyoka temi vaka ya kimbai kana kuvathula enende amwe mandhino ya Kenya.
When we did demonstrations which led to what you have now heard being referred to as a national dialogue, because our people united, first of all, can never be defeated. As Kenyans, we believe we remain united and get rid of the problem, the cancer of tribalism. When you all ask questions, I didn't hear any of you saying, I am Kikuyu, I am Kamba, I am Luya, I am Luo. You are just wonderful Kenyan children. Clap for yourselves. So the first thing we must get rid of is tribalism in this country. And therefore, under the Constitution, which was inaugurated by late President Kibaki, we call it Constitution 2010, Kenyans have a right to demonstrate in a peaceful manner.
Vaa yaoneka na ule na muno na matambi mavolisi kuvalanya miatiano ile na iw'e ningaliko ya ulei watakiki katiba ni ka Kenya na vaivata makande na udhiu vathukanuna miao ani waluma kanenga enenthi kutani ya kiio ya kutwaiisya miatianio vatendu na ithoko.
Recently you saw the doctors demonstrating, and unfortunately the police who have not properly been educated about some of these rights under the Constitution went down there and tear-gassed a very honorable members of very honorable profession, that of the doctors. They don't understand that this is a right guaranteed under the Constitution. The right to picket, the right to demonstrate, the right to sit down, just like you have a right to worship God in any manner.
Ila ingi wanenge uitocha tumire kwithwa na maandamano ni kulunga maundu mavatata kisomo kila kitonya uvingiso ni kwamba takwangala ya mikalile na vata wangaliko ya ulei ni kwikithia kisomo ni chavikia kila mundu vate kungana na singi kwithwa maisomethia manyua mona nzeo.
Now, our view was we needed to make education affordable. In fact, the right to education is a basic human right. We had made it very clear in our manifesto that from Form 1 to Form 4, right, Kenyan students in our public schools, we are going to get to school without bothering the parents with school fees.
Yu amende atongo Silikali ya Kenya kwanza usonde ni wa malonyola mekita kuthukuma mwenenthi ngaliko sionde kivo kisomo aiweta kana Ilovi na mevakana kulea kwelana katikati wa Silikali tiwe ndi wangaliko ya ulei kuwete umbathukanu uyu atewe ndi wani kwenda na ulunga Silikali ya Kenya kwanza na wikithia kana uthukumi woni wethi wa mwelu.
But we are not in government, and this is why now Kenya Kwanza are wrestling with what they can do. We wish them well.
Ndongoi TV nye ni Boni.